All right, guys, it's about 1 o'clock in the morning. I've been driving all day and I'm tired as all get out. But I hope everyone had a good Thursday. So, this is Friday, last day of the week, thank goodness. And we are going to go to lesson 6, copy, cut, and paste. So, here, again, we'll have some questions for you. You just need to do the questions you'll have. Again, we'll set it up for 3 attempts for you. And on our lesson here, we will look at, of course, cut, copy, and paste inside our worksheet. We've been working on our worksheets all week, so nothing new. Now, remember our shortcuts for cut, copy, and paste. Control-C is copy. So you'll select a cell, Control-C will copy it. Control-V will paste that information wherever you want it or select it. Control-Z undoes, or will do an undo of what you did previously. So if you copied the wrong information, you can push Control-Z, it'll uncopy it or unmove it to wherever you had put it. All right. Escape will cancel the current command. All right. So let's take a quick look here. So when you copy a range of cells and paste them in a selected location. So we copied A1 through C5 and we paste all that information in E1 through G5. It'll put it in the exact same format. So for example, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows and 3 columns. It'll put it in that same orientation wherever you are pasting it. Okay, so that's something to remember. You don't have to worry about it. All right, so here's what it looks like. Whenever we copy cells, for example, we copied D2 and E2, it'll put a little dotted line around it, and we want to move it to in August, so in B11. So we push, select them, Control-C, and then click where you want it and push Control-V. So it's very simple. To practice that, if I want to select this information, I will push Control-C, and then I'm going to click over here. I'll push Control-V. As you can see, copy, cut, copy, and paste. Okay. So I can also use my mouse and do, I can right click, push a cut, click where I want it, and paste that information. Maybe. Something went wrong with my information, but it still did it. Okay, so no big deal. All right, so let me put that back where we began. Oops, so cut, copy, and paste. We can use our shortcuts, or we can use our mouse to click and do the same information. Now the ribbon, on our ribbon, there is our group of information here, our clipboard group. We have a cut command, a copy command. We also have a paste command. So I can do the exact same thing. I can select the cells I want to cut or copy. Let's copy. It gives me a dotted line that tells me that the information was copied. Click where I want it. Go to the clipboard, click paste. Okay, so 3 ways to do the same thing. And again, the good thing about Microsoft Suite or Office Suite is that in PowerPoint, Excel, Word, all the commands that we use are the same throughout, so it makes it easier to remember. All right, we already showed you this one, Control-X and Control-V. You can do the same thing for cut, like I showed you. If I want to cut that information, Control-X will cut it, Control-V, paste. Okay, so no big deal. Same thing we've been doing. Now there's one that we have not seen that is called a cut and special insert. This command allows you to insert the copied or cut cells between cells that already exist. Otherwise, it would overwrite that information. So there's a special command that we would select, and it's called the insert cut cells. So here's what we would do. All right. So for example, if I want to take the word coach, I'm just going to right click and cut it, and then I'm going to select cell A10. I'm going to right click, and as you can see, there's insert cut cells, and what it does, it allows you to insert the information in between existing cells that have information. Otherwise, if I just push insert, oh my bad, I put the wrong one. If I paste information, there's nothing copied. Let me do this. Let me do copy. Oh, I did the whole cell. Didn't want to do that. And if I select over it and push paste, as you can see, it adds the same thing, and you don't want to do that. Sometimes you want to put information in between, and that's that special command. Okay, so that is what we have. Now, whenever you are selecting data to copy or paste, and then you go to your paste options, there are a lot of different options for you to choose, and a lot of times you don't use very many of them. Sometimes you learn to use more of them, but some of the options could be you could paste just the cell's content, or you can just paste the cell's format, and then whatever content you type in the cell will look like the cells that you copied. Okay, so pretty easy stuff. Like I said, there will be questions, and then you will go to AES and complete the guided practice for lesson 6. All right, so you guys have a great Friday, have a great weekend, and we will come back Monday and cover any material that we need to cover. All right, you guys have a great day.